I'm Kari Rose, and I'm an emergency management specialist in the recovery division in public assistance. I feel very fortunate that in this role I get to go into work every day and help communities that have been impacted by major disasters. One thing I wish people knew about FEMA is that everyone who works there has a genuine desire to help other people and make a positive impact in their life. One of the things I like most about my job is that I get to work with a team who really values our differences in our backgrounds and our experiences, because I really believe that our diversity makes us stronger and it makes us more capable to help those individuals and communities that we serve. Prior to working for FEMA, I was a victim advocate for crime victims, as well as a teacher and a writer. And right now FEMA is one of the best jobs I've ever had, and I look forward to several more years. My name is Kari Rose, and I am FEMA.